Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Ooh, the mic and everything. The mic and everything. I got the mic. Okay, let me be quiet. Now that I'm kind of far away, I could talk as quiet as I want. Anyway, let me do outfit check for you guys. It's this top that I found. This nice belt with it, motel trousers. My sister's I borrowed. And then I wore it with this bag right here. I can just these shoes with it. The red suits my lips, the blue suits the trousers, the white suits this. It's all about fashion to me. It's all about fashion to me. I love fashion. We love fashion. We love fashion. We love fashion. We love fashion. Anyway, today I come to you guys with a hygiene routine. So I've clipped this to my shirt, and today I'm going to give you like a nice hygiene routine. Basically, I keep clean. I realized that I smell really damn good actually. People need to know how to smell good because, it's winter. And I feel we should be smelling good in winter because you're not going to sweat. I'm giving you guys a routine. How to smell good. Obviously people sweat is natural and I sweat too sometimes. It's completely fine, but it's just nice knowing that you put in the effort rather than knowing that it's better to smell bad after you put in the effort. You're just like, okay, this is natural, rather than not putting any effort at all. So I'm going to give you guys a nice routine. Yeah, so first things first is that you need exfoliate and scrub. I don't have it with me because it's downstairs in my bathroom and I'm gonna have a shower soon. But the gloves are key. The gloves are mandatory. These gloves, grey, you use them to scrub your body. Like scrub your body with exfoliating gloves. I think they're very, very helpful and you get a very good exfoliating with it. So I always use that. And with that, I start off my shower routine with the antibacterial soap. Antibacterial soap is like a bar soap and that'll make you feel squeaky, 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 squeaky clean. Like you're gonna be squeaky clean. This is not for scent, it's just for actually how you feel. I used to only shower with antibacterial soap, but now I do other stuff. I'll get more into it. But yeah, squeaky clean. That's how you feel if you use antibacterial soap, and I love Dettol. Dettol is recommended. Now guys, now that you've scrubbed your body with antibacterial soap, you want to go in with, let's say you want to shave the next day, you want to go in with a body scrub like this right here. I use a body scrub. You can use any type of body scrub. This is one that I use. It's a Sanctuary Spa. It's a body scrub and you use the body scrub to exfoliate your body. That's for like more exfoliating. If you're going to shave the next day as well, it's good to use a body scrub. And body scrubs are just good and you're going to smell good as well because if you have a scented one as well, now that you've already got all the dirt off your body with antibacterial soap, you can go with scent and you're going to smell like that. You pair that body scrub after with this is what I do. I'm saying you, but this is what I do to smell good. I pair it with an actual body wash. So I go with the antibacterial to scrub to body wash. And it's all Sanctuary because someone gave this to me as a present and I love it for Christmas. And you could use any soap. Make sure it smells good because you're going to smell good now. But this is the key. When I get out the shower, to really smell good, this is to be clean. But sometimes the scent of whatever body scrub or soap that you use goes. So you want something to make you feel clean. So I go with a cocoa butter scented lotion. Whatever lotion I put is how I smell. Lotion for me even works better than perfume. I use a Vaseline cocoa butter. You could use any. I even use sometimes I even use the carrot. Is this straight? Oh no, I don't know. Sometimes I even use a carrot scented lotion. I love it so much. But yeah, so cocoa butter. Then after you use the cocoa butter cream, what I do is I lay it up with the body oil. Body oil is a game changer. This makes you smell good for 72 hours. And you shower, in the shower you're still smelling the body oil. The body oils make you smell so good, shiny. Like you need to go in with this, and this is what is going to make you smell good. A body oil. This is Palmer's cocoa butter. I match my lotion with my body oil. And you can also get Vaseline body oils, but it just smells so good. And you're gonna feel not greasy, but just shiny and very good scenting and amazing. Because you are amazing, so you deserve to smell amazing. Yeah. Okay. Is it enough? I'm gonna go back to normal now. Okay. So, yeah, I've given you guys a routine on how to smell amazing. So, to make sure your armpits smell good, what I actually do is, because products are kind of dangerous sometimes, so I don't use deodorant when I'm at home. But if I do go out, I use more of a anti-stain protectant deodorant, but it's like I like the clay ones. This will make you not sweat, and they last for so long, and restores skin natural pH, dermatologically tested, no alcohol and no aluminium salt. I've done my research with AI, and aluminium salts I don't think is that good for your body. Deodorants have so much ingredients. I'm just like, how's that going in my armpit? But then no, this has 12 ingredients and none of it is aluminium salt or alcohol, and it doesn't stain or anything. You know, if I put this on my clothes, it's not going to stain. I remember when I used to use deodorant and then I put a shirt on, you have like stain marks. Like, no, I don't like that. I don't want that. Do you know what I mean? Vaseline always. Vaseline is good for sticking in products, but now they have a body oil, you don't even need Vaseline to make sure that they stick on you. But then you want a perfume that smells amazing. Maybe you want a cocoa butter perfume or Vaseline perfume that pairs good with cocoa butter. That will smell very good, but what I use is not vanilla scent, because I'm the type of like fresh out of the shower, florally clean scents. I don't really like sweet scents like vanilla, all that stuff. I know that's not typical of a black person. Going with this scent right here, screenshot, get it, Zara. Best scent ever, guys. This is my signature scent. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna make it like 10 minutes long, and I hope that you smell good now. And yeah, what's your shower routine? Let me know.